Today, we are diving into the exciting realm of robotics and how they're reshaping industries and homes alike. From streamlining manufacturing processes to automating everyday household tasks, robots are at the forefront of innovation. Join us as we explore the incredible ways these technological marvels are revolutionizing our lives. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more fascinating content. On 18 September 2023, Agility Robotics made a significant announcement, the inauguration of the world's leading humanoid robot factory. Encompassing 70,000 square feet, this state-of-the-art facility is geared to produce over 10,000 robots annually at peak capacity. Situated just 30 miles from Engineering Center, its proximity facilitates seamless collaboration within team. Adding to the excitement is the incorporation of Digit into operations. Much like its role in assisting clients with logistics and warehousing, Digit will now play a crucial function within our factory, managing TOTS and streamlining material flow on the production floor. Digit, an innovative humanoid robot crafted by Agility Robotics, embodies the company's ambitious mission to engineer legged machines capable of maneuvering environments akin to humans. Introduced in 2019 as Agility's second venture into bipedal robotics following the launch of their initial platform, Cassie, in 2016, Digit is intricately engineered for dynamic mobility, featuring agile limbs and a sensor-rich torso facilitating seamless navigation through complex surroundings and the execution of tasks such as package delivery. Standing at a height of 155 centimeters and weighing 42.2 kilograms, Digit integrates advanced components including 4 Intel RealSense depth cameras, multiple IMUs, and precise encoders for proprioception. Supported by 2 Intel i7 multi-thread CPUs for robust processing capabilities. Its adaptability extends to a payload bay accommodating additional computing hardware, such as Intel NUC or NVIDIA Jetson, enhancing its perception and machine learning capabilities. Digit's design prioritizes seamless integration into human environments and replication of human workflows, enabling it to excel in diverse tasks ranging from unloading trucks to moving boxes in warehouse. Its versatility positions it as a crucial tool in logistics and warehouse operations, with the latest iteration optimized for human-robot interaction, HRI, and furnished with manipulators tailored for handling TOTS. Essential plastic bins controlling goods flow in warehouse. While Digit's hands deviate from anatomically human-like structures, they are purposefully engineered for efficient tote manipulation. The robot's primary function, complemented by its ability to walk, step up on curbs, crouch, and execute other actions. Agility Robotics aims to commence large-scale manufacturing of Digit robots, with partner shipments scheduled for early 2024 and general availability anticipated the following year. Supplemented by a partner program facilitating adoption among Digit's initial commercial clientele. On 2 March 2024, OpenAI announced its progress in integrating its technology into humanoid robots, partnering with Figure AI, a specialist in AI robotics and the creation of humanoid robots for workforce use. Figure AI, founded in 2022 in Sunnyvale, California, gained recognition for introducing Figure 01, a highly adaptable robot known for its human-like motions. This collaboration aims to address labor shortages and enhance supply chains, with Figure AI currently serving clients throughout the United States. Unitary Robotics unveiled the G1, a $166,000 humanoid robot, akin to a small car. This technological marvel surpasses its $150,000 predecessor, offering enhanced capabilities. Featuring hollow joint wiring for flexibility, it boasts 23 to 43 joint motors, human-like hands, and 3-fingered grippers for precise object manipulation. The G1 excels in adaptability, utilizing imitation and reinforcement learning for diverse tasks, from household chores to industrial applications. Operating at 2 meters per second, it manages tasks efficiently but requires frequent recharging due to its 2-hour battery life. The G1 signifies a significant leap in humanoid robotics accessibility and advancement. The Unri H1 represents a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, originating from Unri, an innovative Chinese startup recognized for its expertise in quadruped robotics. Standing at approximately 180 centimeters tall and weighing around 47 kilograms, the H1 debuts as Unri's first humanoid robot. Enhanced with a 3D LiDAR sensor and depth camera for perception, the H1 possesses the ability to gather precise spatial data and conduct panoramic scanning. Internally, it features high-torque joint motors and gear trains, delivering a maximum joint torque of 360 nanometers. With 5 degrees of freedom in the leg joints and 4 in the arms, the Unri H1 utilizes embodied AI technology, integrating advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to interact intelligently with its surroundings. Displaying human-like understanding and response capabilities, the H1 demonstrates versatile and precise movements across various applications. It autonomously navigates and traverses complex terrains and environments, achieving a walking speed exceeding 1.5 meters per second and a potential top speed surpassing 5 meters per second. Notably, its competitive pricing, below $90,000, democratize access to advanced robotic technology, expanding its applicability to a broader market. Despite its lightweight construction and towering stature, the H1 maintains stability even under significant shocks at its stability points. With a leg length of 400 mm and an arm length of 338 mm, the H1 showcases remarkable physical specifications, enabling its deployment across diverse industries, services, and applications, signaling the onset of a new industrial revolution in robotics. The Tesla bot, also referred to as Optimus, epitomizes a pioneering advancement in humanoid robotics, presently undergoing development by Tesla Incorporated. Elon Musk unveiled Optimus Gen 2 in September 2022, presenting an upgraded iteration endowed with enhanced capabilities surpassing mere locomotion and communication. Initially showcased at Tesla's Artificial Intelligence (AI) Day event on 19 August 2021, CEO Elon Musk hinted at the potential construction of a prototype by 2022. Positioned as an autonomous humanoid, the Tesla bot endeavors to address tasks categorized as unsafe, repetitive, or mundane. With commitments to improved walking speed, refined hand dexterity, tactile sensing, and various other enhancements, Optimus Gen 2 is poised for a potential release by the culmination of 2024. The proposed specifications delineate a height of 5 feet 8 inches and a weight of 57 kilograms for the Tesla bot, boosting a carrying capacity of 20 kilograms. Controlled by the same AI system currently in development for Tesla's Advanced Driver Assistance System, it's tailored for tasks deemed hazardous, repetitive, or tedious, such as manufacturing assistance. Despite initial hurdles, including the imperative to design and fabricate custom actuators due to the absence of suitable off-the-shelf options, Tesla has made remarkable progress. By September 2023, the company unveiled a video demonstrating Optimus engaging in novel activities, showcasing its proficiency in sorting colored blocks, spatial limb localization, and flexibility through yoga poses. The Cyber One, a humanoid creation by Xiaomi, a prominent Chinese electronics manufacturer, stands impressively tall at approximately 177 centimeters and weighs around 52 kilograms. With 21 degrees of freedom, it replicates human movements with remarkable precision. Powered by Xiaomi's in-house developed MySense depth vision module and AI interaction algorithm, the Cyber One perceives its surroundings in vivid 3D, adept at recognizing individuals, gestures, and expressions. Further bolstering its environmental awareness are Xiaomi's proprietary My AI Environment Semantics Recognition Engine and Vocal Emotion Identification Engine, enabling it to discern 85 types of environmental sounds and categorize 45 human emotions accurately. Featuring processing units coupled with a curved OLED module, the Cyber One provides real-time interactive information display. Capable of lifting weights up to 1.5 kilograms with its arms, it exhibits potential utility in tasks such as carrying groceries. However, it's important to recognize that while the Cyber One serves as a technological showcase and a platform for broader research and development endeavors, Xiaomi has not yet committed to mass-producing it. The company's vision, though, underscores its commitment to advancing in the realm of intelligent robotics, with plans to integrate the showcase technology into future Xiaomi products. While the availability of Cyber One for purchase remains uncertain, Xiaomi remains steadfast in its belief that intelligent robots will inevitably become part of people's lives, reaffirming its dedication to progress in this burgeoning field. LeMex Dynamics stands as a pioneering force in the realm of general-purpose robotics, supported by extensive academic and technological prowess. Their primary focus revolves around researching, developing, and manufacturing exceptional general-purpose robots propelled by embodied AI technology. Their product range encompasses humanoid robots, wheeled quadruped robots, and comprehensive robotic software and hardware solutions, catering to a diverse array of industries such as automotive manufacturing, industrial inspections, logistics and distribution, specialized operations, and household services, addressing both B2B and B2C markets. Since their inception in 2005, LeMex Dynamics has fostered collaborative partnerships with renowned scholars and esteemed institutions worldwide, driving pioneering research in robotics, software algorithms, and AI. Committed to catalyzing disruptive innovation within the robotics sphere, their pursuit of a versatile general-purpose robot capable of navigating diverse terrains and executing various mobile manipulation tasks stands poised to redefine societal norms and bridge the gap between humans and robots. Through their unwavering dedication to technological advancement, LeMex Dynamics aims to unlock the full potential of robotics, empowering humanity to achieve unprecedented heights. Spot, a remarkable creation by Boston Dynamics, heralded a new era in commercial robotics, finding wide-ranging applications in fields such as healthcare, law enforcement, and construction, owing to its autonomy and versatility. Unveiled on 23 June 2016, Spot represents a lightweight, four-legged robot inspired by canines, weighing a mere 25 kilograms, making it lighter than other Boston Dynamics products. Spot gained significant attention in November 2017 when a video showcasing its ability to use its claw to open a door went viral on YouTube, quickly reached ing#1 with over 2 million views. Another video in the same month depicted Spot persistently attempting to open the door despite human interference, eliciting varied reactions from viewers. On 11 May 2018, Boston Dynamics CEO announced Spot's transition to pre-production, with plans for commercial availability in 2019. However, in September 2019, it was revealed that Spot would be leased to selected business partners rather than being sold outright. In November 2019, the Massachusetts State Police became the first law enforcement agency to deploy Spot in their bomb squad operations. Spot's SDK became accessible on 23 January 2020, enabling programmers to develop custom applications for various industries. On 16 June 2020, Spot became available for purchase by the general public at a price of $74,500. Spot's versatility was further demonstrated in various noteworthy events. In June 2020, a Spot named Zeus assisted SpaceX at their Boca Chica Starship test site. In July 2020, a team of Spot robots served as cheerleaders at a baseball match in Japan, alongside SoftBank Pepper robots. Spot conducted inspection tasks on the SCAR floating production storage and offloading vessel in November 2020. In April 2021, a YouTube video showcased Spot dispensing beer into red plastic cups, while in March 2022, Spot created a painting titled Sunrise March, which was sold for $40,000 to benefit Ukrainian refugees. Handle is a research robot developed by Boston Dynamics, featuring two flexible legs on wheels and two manipulator arms for grasping or transporting objects. Standing at a height of 6.5 feet, Handle exhibits remarkable mobility, capable of traveling at speeds of up to 9 miles per hour and leaping vertically up to 4 feet. Its propulsion relies on electric power, enabling the operation of various electric and hydraulic actuators, with a travel range of approximately 15 miles on a single battery charge. While Handle shares many dynamics, balance, and mobile manipulation principles with other robots from Boston Dynamics, it distinguishes itself with a simpler design, comprising only about 10 actuated joints. Despite its reduced complexity, Handle showcases exceptional agility and efficiency in navigating diverse environments and performing manipulation tasks. Boston Dynamics unveiled the Stretch robot for warehouse automation through a video on their YouTube channel on 29 March 2021. This innovative robot features a square mobile base equipped with wheels, along with a perception mast containing cameras and various sensors. Additionally, Stretch boasts a robotic arm with 7 degrees of freedom and a suction pad array at its end, enabling it to securely grasp and relocate boxes weighing up to 23 kilograms. Pick, much like Stretch in its functionality, remains stationed in a fixed position. Designed primarily for handling boxes, Pick efficiently identifies boxes in less than a second. Additionally, it autonomously removes the cardboard sheet, streamlining the box handling process seamlessly. Boston Dynamics' commitment to pushing the boundaries of robotics is exemplified by its diverse array of creations, spanning from the logistical capabilities of Handle to the revolutionary impact of Stretch on warehouse automation. Progressing from the early development of Big Dog in 2005 to the synchronized movements of Atlas and Spot in 2021, their trajectory symbolized the integration of engineering ingenuity with forward-looking aspirations. In August 2023, the unveiling of Apollo marked a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, specifically tailored for warehouse operations. Developed by Apptronik, headquartered in Austin, Texas, Apollo boasts a modular design, integrated LED features, and a runtime of 4 hours, showcasing the latest in robotic innovation. Apptronik's ambition is to pioneer a practical general-purpose robot, priced at less than $100,000, with a production target of 1 million units by 2030. They plan to reveal a prototype in early 2024. The company has its origins in the Human-Centered Robotics Lab at the University of Texas at Austin, stemming from its involvement in the 2015 DARPA Robotics Challenge. Chief Technology Officer and co-founder, Nick Payne, played a significant role in enhancing next-gen actuation and controls for NASA, marking Apptronik's initial contract focused on robotics. The creation of the Apollo's humanoid robot is a collaboration between Apptronik Inc., a small business in Austin, Texas, and NASA. Engineered for versatile applications such as logistics, manufacturing, home delivery, and patient care, Apollo also holds promise for space missions, assisting astronauts on the Moon, Mars, and serving as remote avatars for Earth-based operators. Standing at 1.7 meters tall and weighing 72.6 kilograms, Apollo can lift up to 25 kilograms, 55 pounds. Operating on electricity rather than traditional hydraulic systems, it features a 4-hour battery, swappable to sustain a 22-hour workday. Its modular design allows for mounting on various platforms and configurations, with LED indicators serving as communication tools. Apollo's adaptability enables easy reconfiguration for different tasks, accommodating varying levels of autonomy and tool utilization. Leveraging NASA's expertise ensures safe operation alongside humans. Initially focusing on logistics to address labor shortages, Optronic foresees Apollo tackling diverse tasks across sectors in the coming decade. Rooted in the design of NASA's Valkyrie robot, Apollo underwent years of refinement to operate effectively in human-designed environments. Its primary computing system resides in its chest, supported by integrated sensors for orientation and obstacle navigation, crucial for venturing into uncertain environments like outdoor settings and potentially the lunar surface. The Fourier GR1, engineered by Fourier Intelligence, marks a groundbreaking advancement in healthcare robotics, with a focus on improving caregiving efficacy and strength. Standing at 165 centimeters tall and weighing 121 pounds, the GR1 showcases impressive self-balancing capabilities and can achieve a maximum walking speed of around 3 miles per hour. Equipped with 40 FSA joints providing 44 full-body degrees of freedom, this humanoid robot harnesses embodied AI technology, offering a scalable platform for testing and validating various AI models and algorithms. With its ability to handle weights up to 110 pounds, the GR1 demonstrates versatility in maneuvering through obstacles, manipulating tools, and aiding in physical therapy tasks, presenting promising opportunities for revolutionizing caregiving practices, particularly for elderly individuals living independently. Fourier Intelligence's ambitious initiative aims to produce 100 units of the GR1 by the end of 2023, initially focusing on outfitting them with fundamental hardware-software functionalities. These units will be deployed to research and development labs to refine and enhance the robot's intelligence and capabilities before broader adoption. The emergence of the GR1 signifies a significant advancement in integrating humanoid robots into caregiving roles, offering a potential solution to the challenges posed by aging populations worldwide. NEO stands as a groundbreaking humanoid robot crafted by 1X Technologies, a pioneering Norwegian robotics firm, in collaboration with OpenAI, a renowned leader in AI research. Distinguished by its embodiment of AI, NEO transcends conventional robotics by deeply comprehending its surroundings through a fusion of AI senses and physicality. Unlike its predecessors programmed for singular tasks, NEO embodies continuous learning and improvement, excelling in diverse industrial domains such as security, logistics, and manufacturing. Beyond industrial realms, NEO aspires to redefine home assistance, undertaking household chores, and providing aid to those with mobility impairments. Its potential extends to research applications in psychology and artificial intelligence. Weighing approximately 30 kilograms, NEO prioritizes safety through its soft, organically inspired mechanics, mirroring human muscle movement for seamless navigation. Empowered by advanced AI and an innovative VR teleoperation synchronization mode, NEO autonomously learns and evolves, augmenting its capabilities over time. Anticipated to open for pre-orders by the conclusion of 2023, NEO's imminent release heralds a significant milestone in the widespread deployment of AI. Humanoid robots symbolize an extraordinary blend of robotics, artificial intelligence, and human-like engagement. With their lifelike appearance, advanced senses, and intelligent algorithms, they're transforming our interactions with robots. As technology advances, humanoid robots offer immense potential to enhance various industries and improve human lives in numerous ways. Walker is crafted to serve as a nimble and intelligent companion, functioning as a bipedal humanoid robot with the aspiration of becoming an essential part of human existence. With its complete body flexibility and control, it ensures safety during interactions with people, boosting arms capable of emulating human movements. This robot excels in achieving steady walking across various terrains and possesses the ability to communicate with humans through speech recognition or by mirroring facial expressions, thereby expressing a wide spectrum of 28 emotions.